Hey, this is Makhar from codingmoney.com. This is going to be a short video for beginners who want to start their journey learning how to code and eventually start making money coding websites and mobile applications. I've been getting questions from people who are not sure where to start, what to learn. I've noticed many of you are confused which programming language you need to learn first. You want to know whether you should learn Java, Python, C Sharp, or C++. Well, if you only want to become a desktop-based software programmer and you don't want to make money online, then I would say it doesn't matter. You can start with any language that sounds good to you. You can start with Java or Python. The reason I said it doesn't matter is because you can always switch to another programming language. What's really important here is that you learn the programming concepts regardless of what language you choose, and once you know the object-oriented programming concepts, then it is very easy to pick up on a new programming language syntax. However, for the purposes of being able to make money online, I would strongly advise you not to skip the basics, which is what I call the 1, 2, 3 step: HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. So the short answer to the question, where do I start? It is HTML, Hypertext Markup Language. Then CSS, cascading style sheets, and after that JavaScript. You will learn it in that order: first HTML, second CSS, and third JavaScript. Pretty much everything you see on the web uses HTML, CSS, and JavaScript to some degree. JavaScript has become such a popular and powerful general-purpose programming language. You can use it on the web, mobile, and even desktop, from hardware to software. It's a great first programming language to learn. It is supported in any web browser, which means that you can get up and running doing useful things right away. With the help of React Native, you can use JavaScript to develop mobile applications for iOS, Android. With the help of an open source software framework called Electron, you can develop great desktop graphical user interface applications like Visual Studio Code. That's why learning the basics is an excellent way to start your journey learning how to code. Let me give you an example of each one so that you can see it in action. I'm on cssstrex.com. It's a very good website for learning CSS. You can see the source code of the website by pressing Ctrl Shift I on Chrome. And so if I remove CSS from this website, what is left is the HTML code. This is how it will look without the CSS. HTML provides the structure for the contents of the website, and CSS adds a layer presentation to the website. If I refresh this page, it will load the CSS again, and it looks much better with CSS. That's also how you'll get started. First, you will structure your contents with HTML, and then make it look attractive using CSS. Developers have always used JavaScript to add fun and useful features to web pages. When you hover your mouse over the dots and you click on it, and you see a pop-up that is all done in JavaScript. This is another cool example. This interactive gallery shaped like a globe is done using JavaScript. It's not only used for the look and feel for the website. Many of the world's top websites and apps use JavaScript for useful functionality. For instance, web applications like Google Maps, Gmail, and Google Docs all depend on JavaScript. So now you know the where and what. Coming up, next videos will show you the how. Until next time, please subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. And don't forget to smash like and leave me a comment if you like.